Anna, what is your hobby?
My hobby is hiking. David, what sports do you like?
I like soccer.
Do you know how to talk about your hobbies in English?
Today, you will learn simple and useful sentences about hobbies, free time, and sports.
First, let's learn some important words.
The first word is hobby. A hobby is something you like to do in your free time.
For example, my hobby is hiking. Hiking. Hiking means walking in nature or on a mountain.
Nice! My hobby is watching movies. Watching movies.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us.
Hobby.
Hiking.
Watching movies.
Free time.
Now let's learn some useful questions.
What is your hobby? What is your hobby?
What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time?
Very good. Remember to practice these questions every day. Now, let's listen to conversation 1. This conversation is about hobbies.
Today, you will learn simple and useful sentences about hobbies, free time, and sports.
Anna and David are talking about what they like to do in their free time.
Listen carefully and try to understand. Anna, what is your hobby?
My hobby is hiking. I really enjoy walking in nature. It makes me feel happy and healthy.
That's great. Hiking is a wonderful hobby. What do you do in your free time, Anna?
I also like watching movies. Sometimes I go to the cinema. What about you, David? What do you do in your free time?
I like watching movies too. I often go to the cinema with my friends.
Oh, nice. I like watching movies, but I usually watch at home. I watch on the internet.
Oh, I see. Watching at home is very comfortable. You can choose the time you want.
Yes, I agree. It is very easy and convenient.
Do you often go to the cinema too, Anna?
No, not often. I usually stay at home. The internet is very easy to use.
That's a good habit. Watching at home saves money too.
Yes, and you can watch anytime you want. Now let's practice. Repeat after us.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is hiking.
What do you do in your free time?
I like watching movies.
I often go to the cinema.
I usually watch at home on the internet.
Great job, everyone. Let's continue.
Now let's listen to conversation 2. This conversation is about sports.
Sports are also a popular hobby for many people.
Let's listen carefully. David, what sports do you like?
I like soccer. Soccer is my favorite sport. What about you, Anna? What sports do you like?
I like soccer too.
Nice, really? That's wonderful. Do you play soccer?
Yes, I sometimes play soccer with my friends on the weekend. What about you?
I play soccer every Saturday. I play with my soccer club friends.
That sounds like so much fun. I would like to join too.
Really? Then shall we play soccer together this weekend?
Yes, sounds good. See you this weekend.
Great. I am very happy to play together.
Me too. Playing sports with friends is always more fun.
Yes, I agree, and it is very good for your health too.
That's right. Exercise every day is a very good habit. Let's practice again. Repeat after us.
What sports do you like?
I like soccer.
Do you play soccer?
I play soccer every Saturday.
Shall we play soccer together this weekend?
Yes, sounds good. See you this weekend.
Excellent! You are doing very well. So today we talked about hobbies, free time, and sports.
We learned how to ask, "What is your hobby?" and how to answer.
We also learned how to make plans with a friend. Shall we play together this weekend?
Remember to practice every day. Small steps every day will help you speak English better.
You can practice with a friend or repeat our conversations at home.
Yes, repeat after us every time. That is a great way to improve.
Thank you for watching and for studying with us today.
Thank you for listening. See you next time. Goodbye.